For those who use an aircraft as a strategic tool, aviation is about continuity, control, and long-term value. Every operational choice reflects a precise vision where time, efficiency, and reliability play a central role. In this project, Superba Consulting supported a client through a simultaneous aircraft acquisition and sale, transforming a key transition into a smooth, coordinated, and highly controlled experience. The client owned a Cirrus SR22T G3 and chose to upgrade to a Cirrus SR22T G6, with the objective of aligning aircraft performance with evolving operational needs. From the very beginning, the process was designed to ensure continuity, with one team managing both the acquisition and the sale, step by step, through a structured aeronautical consulting approach. The project started with the search for the most suitable aircraft, based on a detailed analysis of technical specifications, maintenance conditions, and the client's operational profile. Superba Consulting handled the full acquisition process, including technical documentation, review, maintenance history, verification, pre-purchase inspection, test flight, contract negotiation, and closing, ensuring a clear and transparent transaction fully aligned with the client's investment strategy. On delivery day, the client flew to Avignon aboard their Cirrus SR22T G3, closing one chapter while preparing to open the next. After a thorough acceptance procedure, the new Cirrus SR22T G6 was transferred via a formation flight, supported by expert pilots with backgrounds in military aviation and international experience in high-precision operations. A moment where sale and acquisition met in the same place and time, experienced as an exclusive and memorable milestone. The transition to the new aircraft was accompanied by the Cirrus Embark Program, under the guidance of a CSIP, Cirrus Standardized Instructor Pilot. The tailored training included IFR instruction and night flying, allowing the client to build confidence, familiarity, and full operational control of the new aircraft. Once training was completed, the Cirrus SR22T G6 was delivered to the new operational base in Verona, ready for immediate use. In parallel, the Cirrus SR22T G3 was transferred for pre-purchase inspection on behalf of its new owner, completing the sale in perfect coordination with the acquisition. This project demonstrates how a simultaneous aircraft sale and acquisition can be managed efficiently and safely when experience, method, and vision work together. In this case, the entire dual transition was completed within 48 hours, ensuring continuity, control, and a seamless operational evolution. If you are considering selling your aircraft while acquiring a new one, Superba Consulting offers a coordinated and efficient approach, delivering aircraft acquisition and sale within 48 hours, with one team, one method, and total control.